all about AI. I've been using AI for 3 years. When I started learning Vietnamese, I use AI to make references. Since 2023, December 5th, I've been using AI. Uh, Maybe I think I really get familiar with the AI. So I would like to talk about all about AI that I experienced. So the AI, what is the AI? Then let's think about we have a give and take or request and support. Give and take is very easy way when we give something and the other side give something. So and give and take. So let's think about large language model, just like ChatGPT or Gemini, and then we give something, and then AI give you. We can take something. It's just like a lizard. But while I am using AI for more than 3 years, then I realized that the give and take is a old version, and now and then from give and take. Now I do that, request and support. It's a request and support. I ask something for AI, then I can get some result that AI support for me. Simply, and the request and support is very, very recommendable because we can make a plans and just think about and other people cooperate with work with the team and then other friends or something. When working, when we are working and we make some project, we take roles and then we together result and we have a part of work each other and then we can ask something for others to do uh, partly then each person has a thinking about and then they doing their mission and then in the end then all organize the team and then make a result and then they finish it. They can finish a project as well. So request is very, very important. The way to request is something like prompt engineering or something. So now I also the review about AI. After then, I can create something about AI. There's something I realized that about AI. The first important thing is this is the important thing. So what I'm talking here is my data. So data is very important. So from now on, and I summary data with the project, and then I can use the Google document and then I can save as a PDF file. Then I can put it in the files in the folder and then I can categorize the data. After my project, I understand and then the main data and then the result of AI from ChatGPT. ChatGPT give large language model, they summarize or sometimes sorted full-fledged version and then using the reversed group-led version, I can create some contents with the notebook alone. This is another way. So, and then by using notebook LM, and then that is something new. From data to AI, and then I can get a content, the AI. This is another data from me, but the original data is created by myself. Original data is created by myself. The original data, the the original data created by myself, but the original data is not clearly perfect. And then after proof-led, um, proof-led by the AI, and then I can get some good content. So this data from AI is the second data with refreshed or well organized the AI. So I can use the data to create some content. And I can add some uniquely or total or something, and then asking something about it for the research. Let's think about, and then the data from AI can make create some others. Nowadays, I can use the notebook LM to create audio review, video review, and mind map, and infographic, slide deck, and Excel worksheet. These six contents meaningful for me, and then I share on my YouTube channel to review the contents later. Hopefully, somebody get a good impression or uh, can get feel inspired by the content or the way I make some content using. Now think about the content. The content from AI. Actually, AI created the content based on the data with AI or other contents. But the personal source is from my data, so my intention, my request. So in the end, the content, the server is from AI is remarkable. If I can handle well, I request some well, and then I can expect good content with the stories. There's so many ways to make contents differently. We don't know what comes out, but if we've been using AI for a long time, we little bit understand the um, delicately the created differently a little bit. So, and then in the end, we can create. So let's think about again the original data from myself and then the new data from AI and the content from AI. It also can be data from AI with some the original data or other things. The well organized. Let's think about if I use the Google document, and here I am Google Cloud and then Chrome, and also I use the AI, the large language model. I use Notebook LM, so the uh, actually it's connected with the Google. The account is each connected. So and then intentionally, and the data will organize each other. So, and then AI can also create the new data and also the contents as well. So it's quite different. The version of AI for myself and the version of AI for myself, it can create something about what I am doing, the request and server and the content, and then the all the things and connect to each other. So AI create and data and create content again. So and using the way to use and the way the for AI to use the data is quite uh, complex. And then the AI can use the original data from me And then AI can combine the original data with the bootleg data again. AI can combine the original data with the fruit-led AI. And also uh, on Notebook LM, the Notebook LM also can create other contents. All the resources is one of machine learning, just like AI can train again, and then the version is will be. So let's think about it. And for example, what we done, we can remember that we can do easily again and again. So mostly, and all the function the AI can do repeatedly, and with some let's think about billion people can use the AI for 1 year. Then and all about the data, and it will be uh, another content for AI. So AI can gather high quality the content if the users can request properly. So we can imagine that as our users, and then if we have a good request, and then we can create a perfect support and the perfect content coming out from the AI, whatever um, we use for AI. Let's think about and then how AI, how the original data, say in English, make content of about AI that AI can use the original data from user, and then AI can create large language model, the contents, and user can use the replied content to make content from notebook LM after proofreading with it. My experience using AI for content creation. Let's see what AI say about it. To get a good infographic, I can use just English to this version. By doing that, and I can get a much better version. The infographic in Korean method. My experience using AI for content creation. I've been using AI for about 3 years. I started using AI seriously when I was on December 5, 2023. Since then, AI has become one of my most important tools for learning, organizing information, and creating content. At first, I used AI mainly as a reference tool. I asked questions, checked grammar, and improved my writing over time. I became more familiar with AI and began to understand how it works and how to use it more effectively. Understanding AI from give and take through request and support. In the beginning, I thought of AI worked like a simple give and take system. The user gives and some information, AI gives some answer. This is similar to a simple exchange. But after using AI for a long time, I realized that this idea is a bit old. Today, the better way to understand AI is the sense of the user make a clear request, AI gives structure support. This process is similar to teamwork in a project, in a team project. Each person has a role, each person works on a specific task, everyone shares the idea. In the end, the team finishes the project together. Using AI is similar when the user makes good requests to AI can support the user in planning, organizing, and creating content. The importance of original data. One important thing I learned is that AI works best when the user has original data. My process usually looks like this. I write my original idea, I organize them in Google Documents, and then I ask AI to read and improve the text. I save the result or as PDF files or organized document. I store them in folder and categorize the information. After that, I can reuse the information to create new content. From data to AI content. Sometimes my original data is not perfect. It may have grammar mistake or unclear sentences. AI helps me refine and reorganize the content. So the process becomes original data, AI reading, improved data, new content. The improved data from AI becomes secondary data, which I can use later to create new materials, creating different types of contents. Using AI tools and notebooks, I can transform one idea into many kinds of content, such as video, review article, infographic, slide, and educational material summaries. These contents are meaningful to me, and sometimes I share them on my YouTube channel or other platforms. My goal is that someone might learn something useful or feel inspired by the content. AI content still starts from the user, even though AI helps create the content. Starting point is still the user. The user provides the idea, the request, the intention. AI then processes the request and provides support. If the request is clear, the results can be very good. Organizing data with digital tools. I usually organize my work and using tools like Google Document, Google Cloud Storage, Chrome browser tools, AI language models. All of these tools are connected through my Google Doc account. This helps me manage data easily and create new content from existing information. AI is a learning and training system. Another important idea is that AI system learn from the large amount of data. When billions of people use AI every year, the total amount of information becomes very large. This means AI can continuously improve, but the quality of AI output depends heavily on the quality of users' request. If users ask clearly meaningful questions, AI can produce better result. Conclusion. From my experience, AI is not just a tool that gives answers. It's a support system for thinking, organizing, and creating content. Process looks like this. The user creates original data. The user makes a request. AI support the request. AI helps improve and organize the content. The user uses the result to create new content again. So AI and the user work together. If we understand how to request properly and organize our data well, AI can help us create meaningful content again and again. Okay.